When you think of sales, what comes to mind? If the word sleazy pops up, you're not alone. Many people think negatively of sales and the act of selling something. We usually think someone selling something will stop at nothing to get us to buy their product, whether they believe in the product or not. We think their one and only motivator is money. Now, if I'm being honest, money is usually one of the major motivators behind every single business, every single sale. We need money to survive, and making money is how we prosper in society today. But that doesn't mean that selling your product or service needs to make you feel sleazy or like you're ripping off your customer or client in some way by selling. The truth is, you need to believe in your product or service. Ask yourself this: would I be happy if I'd purchased my own product or service? Would I feel like I've gotten great value? If the answer is no, you may want to reevaluate what you offer. In order to sell without feeling sleazy and sell well, your number one mission is to believe 1000% in your product or service. If you're totally sold on your own product or service, awesome. Now remember this: there's a demand in the market for your product or service. If there wasn't, you wouldn't be able to make any money. That means that people want or need what you're offering. People out there have the money and they want to spend it on the product or service that you offer. They just need to know why to choose you over your competition. And sometimes they may need to know why they need your product or service. Your job is to sell those that have a need for your product or service and whom you feel you can give excellent value to. Your job is not to sell to literally anyone you meet. How annoying would that be? No, sales is not about making the sale no matter what or no matter how at any length. That's what will make you feel sleazy. Making the sale is about finding the people that can use your product or service and filling that need by letting those specific people know why you're a great match for them and why your business will be able to provide them excellent value. To sell without the sleaze, there's an important balance to strike. You know that thing you have called a conscience? It's important. It's meant to be listened to. If something feels morally wrong, don't do it. Making money doesn't mean you should sidestep ethics. Don't take advantage of people. If an upstanding local charity is interested in your product or service, consider giving them a big discount or even offering your product or service for free. If you mess something up, make up for it. If what you can deliver is a product or service that is worth the money, your customers or clients will happily pay. However, this is the whole balance part. Those high standards you're holding yourself to so you can deliver excellent value to your customers and clients, those morals you're following, that conscience you're listening to, you need to treat yourself with the same respect. You need to provide yourself the same value. You have the worth, and so does your product or service. Don't let others rip you off. Just like there are some seedy businesses out there, there are also seedy customers and clients. They'll do whatever they can to get your product or service at the lowest price possible. If someone wants your product or service, but doesn't want to spend what you charge, don't cut your price when that price is what you've decided that you're worth. Instead, refer them to a business with a lower price point. And side note, if possible, set up a referral program with that business. Okay, so now that we've established that you're a badass business owner that offers a badass high value product or service, go make that sale.